Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making water drops in Adobe Illustrator, and you don't have to know how to draw. It's so easy. We start off with our ellipse tool, and we're going to make a circle. We're going to hold down Shift to keep it in proportions. Let's make it blue. Then we are going to click on our direct selection tool, which is this white little arrow. Click on the top point and drag it upwards. And we're then going to go to the anchor point tool, hold down Alt or Option and click, and it will remove these little handles that make it into a curve. So now we have a pointy. And there's our water drop basic shape. Now I got an image from the internet for color reference, somewhat. Anyways, you select your water drop. You're then going to click on the mesh tool, and you're going to add some points. Just click on your water drop to add more lines of points and grids. Then, when you've done this, we have to select our direct selection tool again. You can now basically select individual points and change their color to whatever you want. So we're going to try and follow this little guide. Not to like, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it can just be similar. And I'm going to use the eyedropper tool to fill them in. And you just keep filling everything in. I'm doing this pretty quick, but if you kind of pay attention to it, it's actually really easy to get some pretty awesome effects. Let's make this line a little brighter. And these blue dots, we're going to make a little bluer. And that's basically it. We can delete the reference image. We can adjust the size of this. We can duplicate it. And yeah, you can basically edit the colors and make it seem as realistic as you want. Obviously, the more points you add in your mesh, the more realistic it's going to look because it's going to have more color shades in there. But, I mean, doesn't look so bad for taking me like, how much? 1 minute to make. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I post daily designs there as well. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.